Hey YouTube, just wanted to show you guys a bike I just pulled out of storage. This is probably my favorite all-time bike. It always puts the biggest smile on my face. It's a 1999 Honda CR80. It's the big wheel version, so it's got slightly larger wheels than a regular 80. But this one is special because it's a DMC conversion bike. It's Dave Miller's Concepts out of California. He just passed away this past year, unfortunately, but he made some really awesome stuff. So in the CR80 frame is a early 2000s XR100 motor. This one's been modded quite a bit. This one has a 115cc Takagawa big bore kit on it with the big valve head, custom intake manifold with a ATC 200X carb, fully custom TIG welded exhaust. This one also has a oil cooler in place of where the old radiator used to be, and it actually is a really strong little motor. I mean, I'm not a light dude, I'm about 210, 215, and it pulls me around no problem. It's got a couple little things, hand guards, Renthal bars. The stator is actually upgraded as well. It has a lighting stator, although it's not hooked up to anything right now. I just wanted to show you guys, it's a pretty rare bike. I haven't seen a whole lot of them. I'll go ahead and get it started here, and got a new GoPro mount. Put you on the handlebars there, and we'll go for a ride. there you go, guys. That's the bike. Sorry about all the wind noise. It's pretty windy today. But hope you guys can see why this is my favorite bike. It's just a ton of fun. In the future, I do want to do a couple things to it. I might make a video if you guys are interested. They do sell like adult springs for the rear shock, which actually needs a rebuild anyway, and front springs as well. So maybe I'll even hook up some lights to go riding at night. But drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.